Alam nyo ba kung saan ang biggest hotel in the Philippines? At 8 minutes lang from NAIA Terminals. Perfect for staycation, family trip, or quick getaway lang near Manila Bay. Curious ka kung saan to? I got you. Today, nandito tayo sa Grand Westside Hotel located here in Westside City. Paranaque, literally step away from the scenic Manila Bay. Grabe guys, this is actually the largest hotel in the Philippines with 1,530 modern rooms and suites. Kaya perfect talaga siya for families, vacationers, and even corporate events. The lobby is super spacious, modern, and very clean. Very welcoming din ang mga hotel staff. Very helpful and accommodating. While waiting for the check-in, may welcome drinks pa sila, and for the kids, meron ding free cotton candy kaya natuwa talaga mga bata. After check-in, room tour naman tayo. Pagpasok pa lang ng room, mapapansin mo na agad ang modern, clean, and relaxing ng vibe. Perfect talaga siya if you want a comfortable staycation near airport or Manila Bay. Ito yung room namin, nasa 10th floor kami sa South Tower, and we stayed here for one night. Ang view ng room namin is Okada view, and tapat lang siya mismo ng Kingsford Hotel. Meron siyang dalawang single beds, and super comfy talaga. Hindi man ganun kalaki ang room, pero good enough naman siya for families like us, na may dalawang kids na kasama. Inside the room, meron din cabinet with hangers, safety deposit box, flashlight, sleepers, mini ref, kettle, complimentary water, tea, and coffee. Meron ding strong Wi-Fi connection, cable TV, and working table if you need to work. Sa bathroom, simple lang pero very clean and complete. May bath towel, face towel, hair dryer, malaking mirror, complete toiletries, and of course, the hot and cold shower. Some rooms even have a beautiful Manila Bay view. So imagine waking up with a relaxing scenery. Ang sarap, diba? Of course, hindi mawawala ang kanilang outdoor swimming pool with stunning bay view. Perfect talaga to for relaxing or taking a quick dip habang nag-chill. May adult pool and kids pool kaya mag-enjoy talaga ang buong pamilya. Hindi heated ang pool kaya perfect talaga siya, especially this summer. May lifeguard na nakabantay, so dagdag security na rin. And sa side ng pool, may pool bar where you can eat or have a drinks with your family and friends. Medyo pricey nga lang but still nice spots to chill. Free na rin ang use of umbrellas, towels, sauna, and steam room. Meron din silang fitness center if you wanna stay active kahit naka-staycation ka. And sa gabi, meron din silang acoustic singer, so perfect talaga if gusto mo lang mag-chill or magpahangin habang nagre-relax. If you're a foodie like me, you will love their dining options. You can dine at La Mesa Restaurant where you can enjoy signature Filipino cuisine. Sa breakfast buffet, marami rin silang food choice kaya na-enjoy talaga namin kumain. Or if you want something more chill, you can hang out at the cafe by Westside for coffee and light meals. Meron din Sabana Bar located beside the lobby. So habang naghihintay ka for check-in, pwede ka munang uminom or kumain dito. Another great things guys, they also have a Muslim-friendly dining option, making the hotel more exclusive and welcoming for all guests. And yes, free parking na rin and super convenient kasi may direct elevator access going to hotel rooms. And the best part, only 8 minutes away from NAIA Terminals. So super convenient talaga siya, especially for travelers. Plus malapit din siya sa shopping, entertainment, and attractions around Manila Bay. So if you're looking for a modern hotel near the airport with amazing facilities and Manila Bay view, you might want to check out Grand Westside Hotel Manila Bay. Perfect for staycation, family trips, or even business travel. You can book through Klook and use my promo code KLOOKCHEFamily to get 5% off. Thank you for watching. Please follow us for more gala tips. Bye!